Okay, we're going to take a quick look at completing this sheet using watercolours. So we've got a set of watercolours and a lid. The lid is important because we're going to use that for mixing our colours. We've also got a brush, a water pot and a small amount of water. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to wet the brush, and we're looking at this colour wheel, and we're just going to complete some of this. So I'm going to start off with the blue colour, and it's important that we don't have too much water, and we just work the brush in to the colour there until we've got a reasonable amount of paint on the brush. I'm going to take it very carefully and not rushing with this, and just filling it in as neatly as we can. Now we're going to start off with the primary colours. We've looked at these colours, so we should know which are our primary colours. So there's the blue completed. I'm just wiping that on my paper towel. So we've got primary colour there, blue. We're going to look at mixing a colour. Now we do have more than just the primary colours on here, but I'm going to show you mixing green. So if we take a yellow, and obviously to make green we need to use a yellow here and a blue. So I would take the lighter colour first, and what we need to do is we need to add some of this to the palette. And you can see that I'm just working it into the colour there, and I've got a reasonable amount there. Then a small amount in the blue. The blue's a darker colour, and if we mix those we can see that we've managed to mix green. So you can see there that by mixing a yellow and a blue, now I've mixed that colour. For some of the colours you can choose on the colour wheel here to mix them. Some you will need to mix, some you might have the option of not mixing. So now between these two colours we have a blue-green. So if I take my green now, add some blue, and what we should have there is our blue-green. So there we have it. When we've finished, if you have a paper towel, just try and clean these colours up a little bit. Leave this as best you can for the next person. Wipe out any paint from there, put the lid on, and your brush back there. So there's starting with our watercolours.